Hey guys, Jesse Nicholas here, your real estate agent helping you to buy, protect, and sell your home. And right now, as the filming of this video, it is late August, which means summer is ending and fall is just around the corner. It also means that my allergies flare up like crazy. And as I'm coughing and sneezing and my throat is raw from all the abuse it's been taking, it got me thinking that I could change out my air furnace filter to help prevent a lot of these allergens from coming into my home. There are a lot of good reasons to change the filter in your furnace, most important of which is cleaner, safer air to breathe. Almost as important as the money you'll be saving. When a furnace doesn't have to push through a clogged air filter, it doesn't have to work as hard or as long to get to the home's desired temperature. Changing your air filters regularly will help your furnace work more efficiently, which means there should be less repairs, and hopefully you won't have to replace it as well. Take it from me, replacing one of these is neither fun nor cheap. Now, it's important to remember that every filter has a rating for how many days it's good for. This one here that I'm going to be installing is good for 90 days. So after you put your new filter in, mark your calendar or put a reminder in your smartphone to let you know that after 90 days, go back down and replace it. It will not be nearly as effective beyond that point. Also, there are different types of filters out there that will filter out more or less depending on what your situation and needs are. There are filters out there that will help prevent the flow of pet dander, ones that will help prevent the flow of odors, all kinds of different types out there. So make sure to buy the one that really only you need. If you're buying one because it'll do more, even though you don't need that, you're not necessarily saving any money or getting better use out of it. It's just you're paying more for something you don't need, which if you're changing your filters to save money down the road, you're kind of missing the point if you're buying unnecessary types. But enough about the reasons why you should change your furnace filter. Let's actually change this one. Now, I've seen hundreds of furnaces in my time, and it seems that each one has a different way to access the filter. So you have to figure that part out on your own. I'm sure it will be pretty easy though. Mine is just a simple slide out. This right here is where the filter sits. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this out and just switch it out. Sometimes if you have a hard time getting this out, you can use something like a knife or a blade or something. You can kind of poke at it, do something like this to kind of get that out where you need it, so you can get your fingers around it and pull that out. Let's take a look at this. Oh, this is so gross and disgusting, and all my air was going through this thing. What is that? That's like is that a hairball or something? Oh, I don't even know. It's a good thing we're switching this thing out. This is the filter side by side. Look at the difference between them. That is crazy. All right, let's get this clean filter installed. Now, there is a wrong way to put in your new filter. So here's what you need to remember. This right here is your return air. Your air is going to flow down through here, through the filter, and up through your supply air. So you want to make sure that your filter is facing the right way for the airflow to go through. The way to do that is these filters have arrows on them. And that's going to tell you which way the filter needs to be facing and which direction it needs to be going to go along with the airflow. In this case, the arrow is going to be pointing this way. Basically, a good way of remembering that is it always points towards the furnace. But there is an even better way to remember that. Okay, the best way for you to remember which way to face your air filter is with one of these. Now you'll never forget. Okay, at this point we're just going to put our air filter into the air filter spot. The way mine is, you kind of want to use this cover, install it on there first as you're putting it in. And just like that, you're all done. Your air filter has been replaced and you now have cleaner air to breathe. Again, my name is Jesse Nicholas, your real estate agent helping you to buy, protect, and sell your home. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, favorite, subscribe, share with others, and let them know about my channel here on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.